Hi everyone, my name is Joe Jones from Wildleaf by Neal Communities. Super excited to show you our CMIS model here today, which is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 3-car garage. We have 2427 square feet in our downstairs level, with our bonus option model we're up to 3156 square feet. Let's go take a look. Here we are in our amazing open concept main living space. From our great room to our kitchen and cafe, really easy to interact with family and friends. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen or watching the game, the indoor-outdoor living is great for everybody. Take a look at this beautiful open concept gourmet style kitchen. We have a massive oversized island, which is amazing for prep work, for dining, for entertaining. We are very excited in Wildleaf to be a natural gas community, the first in all of North River Ranch. Here we're showcasing some upgrades from our design gallery, including our quartz countertops on our island and kitchen perimeter. We have single bowl undermounted stainless steel sink, upgraded stainless steel appliance package. We even have an upgraded shelving package in our walk-in pantry. One of the main selling features of our CMIS floor plan is this gorgeous outdoor living space. Everything that you see here pavered out under roof cover is a standard footprint for our CMIS model. Plenty of room for a separate living space, separate dining space around the corner. We even have dual sets of sliders out of our great room and our dining space. In this model, we even have showcased our pocket slider structural option. Welcome to the large oversized den in our CMIS model. Nested right up front in our floor plan off of the main entry. Great for an at-home office, a second living space, relaxing and hanging out with friends. Check out this spacious master ensuite with tons of natural light flooding in. Plenty of room for a king-size bed, oversized end tables. There's even enough room in here for a separate seating area. Here we have showcased our coffered ceiling structural option. As you go from your master bedroom to the rest of your ensuite, you're flanked by dual walk-in closets with tons of storage. You have double vanities to the rear of the bathroom, and we even have a spa-like walk-in shower and a separate water closet. What's unique about this floor plan is it offers a second master bedroom ensuite with our bonus story option. We have a separate private living space upstairs that leads straight into your master ensuite. This space offers a lot of privacy, whether it's for guests or multi-generational living. There's even a private ensuite bathroom right off of this bedroom. The other 2 bedrooms are downstairs, located off of the back hallway for privacy. Here we have showcased our Jack and Jill style bathroom. We even have a large, oversized utility room with laundry tub option showcased. Thanks so much for touring our CMIS model with me today. I look forward to seeing you out at Wildleaf soon.